What is up guys, Anthony here, and today is my 1 year on YouTube. So it has been a crazy adventure, and ever since I posted that first video, it's just been a wild ride, trying to get these awesome products and trying to review them, trying to get better at camera editing and video editing. It's just been so much work and so much knowledge that I've stuffed into my head over the past year, and I just kind of wanted to share an update with you guys and yeah, kind of tell you guys what's been going on, how's it been. Let me tell you, it's been very stressful. Some days I'm just in my little closet and studio kind of thing, working for hours and hours trying to get the perfect video edit out, and it can be draining sometimes, but I've had a lot of good experiences since starting YouTube, and it's only been a year. I can't imagine 5 years from now. I'm really thankful that I gave myself the shot to upload that one video that has kind of led me down a completely different path than I ever saw myself going. It's been awesome, and I'm really glad I did it. If you guys remember, it was just like a 10-second video room tour, and I don't remember even editing it at all. I just slapped some music onto it and threw it on the internet, and 100 views later, that's my first video. So I never even thought that my first video on YouTube would get to 100 views, so that's kind of crazy to think about. There's been a lot of crazy experiences this past year with YouTube. So I'm going to share with you guys my stats on YouTube a little bit later on in this video, but I want to talk about everything that I've learned as well this past year. So I've learned a lot about myself, things I like, things I don't like, things I thought I would like more, I guess. And I've had to master a lot of new skills within the past year. So a lot of editing, a lot of camera work, a lot of lighting work, audio work. I'm still improving all of those things, but it's been crazy how much I can stuff into my head in 1 year. So now that I know that I'm super passionate about video making and video production, it's something that I know for sure that I want to follow, and I'm glad I did take this path down YouTube because it's a good starting place for me. So if you know me, you know that I've always been a fan of video production. It was something that I always wanted to do as a kid, but it was a dream that kind of got lost in transit to adulthood. So it only recently resurfaced this past year when I posted that video, and it's made me realize a lot, and I do want to pursue this, but at the same time I want to keep my tech channel a tech channel because that's also something that I love. Along with being a tech channel, I also want to introduce more cinematic videos. It's something that I've been kind of working towards, but haven't really mastered the quality that I want yet to post those and feel comfortable with what I'm putting out. I have, however, been putting out a couple here and there. Some of them have had some good reactions, which is pretty cool. And I'm really happy that they've been received well, because they are not necessarily tech videos, they're just more cinematic videos that I enjoy making. So I'm going to put some cards in the corner of this video if you want to check those out. I did make some traveling videos, some videos of my sister's dog, Tampico, so go check those out and let me know what you guys think about those. But like I said, it's going to be a tech channel, it's tech based, but I also want to introduce more cinematic videos as I progress my skills in video production. Another thing that I really have enjoyed this past year is being able to connect with a lot of tech people. So I remember recently, not too recently, maybe, actually it was back in December, but I tweeted to Tim Schmoyer, and he's, if you don't know who he is, he's a YouTube tech analyst, and he has a really big name in the analyst world. So it was really awesome to get a reply back, and it's just cool to be able to connect with people who know a lot about a subject that you're interested in learning. And it was really awesome to be able to talk to him, tweet at him. And I've also met some fellow YouTubers, so it's just been really cool. It's been an awesome experience, and it's only been 1 year. I hope it grows into something more, because I really want to follow this path of video production, and meeting all these people and making all these connections has just been an added bonus and a really cool part of the experience. So on to the stats. The stats are ridiculous for my first year of YouTube. It's something I never thought I would achieve, especially my first year alone, but some of them are ridiculous, like I said. So let's just go over the stats. So my channel as of right now has a combined view of 92,000 views. Insane. So like I said, I just never thought that any video of mine would reach that magnitude. So it feels really cool to know that my videos are reaching a wide audience. My most viewed video right now is 27,000 views now, and I still can't comprehend it. That's a lot of people watching me and watching the stuff that I'm putting out there. It makes me feel a little bit nervous because there's always that judgment going around. But as controversial as that video was, I'm really glad that I put it out there. So a funny story about that video actually is it was about the iPhone XR clear case from Apple, priced at $40. So in my head, I thought that was absolutely ridiculous for a clear case, and I voiced those opinions on that video. But prior to making that video, when the case was announced, I had no plans of getting it. I was kind of disgusted at the price more than anything, and I was like, no, there's no way I'm gonna get this $40 case to review on my channel. As the day went on, I was just kind of like, I guess on the verge of getting it. Always, I was like tipping over. I was like, I'm just gonna get it. No, it's too expensive. Okay, I'll just get it. And then, you know, before I would always click the buy button, I just kept talking myself out of it. Eventually I bought it, paid for faster shipping to get it before anyone else, and that's the story of that video, how that video was born. So I remember I was one of the first few people to unbox it. Maybe that's why I got so much attention. There was only a couple of videos unboxing the clear case at the time. So it's just crazy how one little choice can affect everything. So, and it's really cool. So if you guys want to go watch it, I'll leave another card in the corner and you guys can go check that one out. What else? So my subscriber count is the lowest stat on YouTube, and that is only 240 something subscribers. But I also decided to focus more on quality than subscriber count for the last few months. So it hasn't been growing as steadily as it was, but that's okay with me as long as I am able to get the quality out that I want to see on my channel. So for those of you who don't know how YouTube monetization works, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 400 hours of combined watch time on all of your videos. So I easily passed the 400 hour mark. It was something that I never thought I would achieve my first year of YouTube, because after putting out my first few handful of videos, I was getting nowhere. I probably had like 2 or 3, maybe 10 hours of watch time. So it's really discouraging, and I kept saying to myself, this is just impossible, like it's impossible to achieve. But then I made that one video, the clear case video, and that just completely exploded my channel. It got me well over 400 hours of watch time, so that was a really cool accomplishment of mine, and I'm so happy I bought that clear case, because it gave me a little bit more motivation to focus on this channel and to make more content. Those are all my stats on YouTube that I really care about. That's what I wanted to share with you guys today, and that has been my 1 year on YouTube. That's what it's been like, and I really hope to continue doing this. It's been awesome and it's been a great experience. It's been a really good learning experience. I'm excited to learn more. That's what I'm really excited about. I want to learn and I want to develop my skills even more to a standard where I'm super proud of. But I guess that'll be next year. This year I'm pretty excited to say that I accomplished a lot. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.